Hi girls! So I'm here with Ryan Harvey. She's my lovely model to do the makeup tutorial for our older students here at Suzanne School of Dance. Please make sure that you have all of these items available. So you have your foundation and powder, you have your blush, you have your eyeshadow, different cream tones and browns. Then you have your eyeliner, your mascara, your fake eyelashes for only levels 3 and up, and then you have your bright red lipstick. So here we have Ryan, and she is taking the foundation and gonna put it all over her face so she has a good base to start with. As you can see, Ryan has a beautiful base to start with before she applies her blush. And make sure when you apply your blush, and you can go ahead and do that, Ryan, make sure that as you do that you put it on your cheekbones. So make sure it's nice and bright. All right, so you're just gonna apply this cream all over the eyelid. And then you're gonna wanna take a light brown and put that on the lower part of the lid, right underneath the crease. Beautiful. Then you're gonna wanna get this dark brown, which is gonna go in the crease. Now we're gonna go ahead and apply this eyeliner. And don't be afraid of it. If you mess up, which I'm sure I'll do, then all you need to do is grab a wet Q-tip just to help make the line straight. So what you want to do is when you make the wing, you don't want to enclose this last part of the eye on the corner, because that's going to make their eyes smaller, but you actually want to go from here all the way out and keep it wide and open. Okay, so let's go ahead and look up, Ryan, for me. I'm going to do the bottom part. And for the girls that are putting it on themselves, sometimes it's easier to do it yourself once you get used to it. Same thing, I'm not going to close the eye in the corner, but I'm going to keep it long and open, which is going to give the effect. For our levels 3 and up, you're going to go ahead and purchase fake eyelashes. You want to make sure to apply the glue that is given with them. And if it doesn't have it with it in a kit, then make sure to purchase that. And then you're just going to gently place it on the eyelid, right above your eyelashes. Last but not least is the bright red lipstick. And when I mean bright red, I mean a true red color, because this is gonna show up the best on the stage. And if you would like, feel free to add a little bit of gloss as well. And voila, your performance ready. And this is what it should look like when everything has been applied. And voila, your performance ready.